going on, Southbound family? Alright, we're here at the local Walmart and we're getting ready to get these groceries. Oh, my pen about came out. Getting these groceries for this trip. Look at my lip. She hit me in my mouth yesterday.
Just kidding.
No, she really hit me in my mouth.
I didn't.
I talked back to her.
He bit it 3 times.
She said, "You ever talk back to me again, I'm gonna bust your lip." And I did it again. And by God, what's wrong with that left hand? And she bit, and she hit me.
Well, you got 2 grandbabies now, don't you?
I have 1 grandbaby and 1 great niece.
Great niece, okay, that's Kayla's grand.
And yeah, Justin.
Unbelievable.
I love her.
Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Reese talking to somebody she knew. But it's Valentine's Day season. This kind of stuff I like to look at. What's going on right here? Fidget watch. Look at that. You can bop it, you can boop it, and you can fidget it. Oh my. Slightly. Oh.
Sorry, Charlie.
Okay, we're back.
I'll find me some hair stuff.
We're finding hair. Shampoo and conditioner, guys. We gotta buy the best stuff.
I'm thinking this one.
Here, put the buggy over here. I'm just gonna rake it all in. It's about,
the best.
that'll save me on 6 months.
This is store-bought, so it's nothing else.
That L'Oreal's good stuff in that Pantene, ain't it? Oh, that Tray Sim is the best.
Tracy.
That Tray Sim. Not the double Sim, but the Tray Sim.
Take this.
Alright guys, we're back on the beat. Oh, 3 times mirror, look at that. This is 3 times. Not 1, not 2, but 3. Alright guys, well, we've done all the shopping for the day. Our buggy's full, we're leaving. Here she comes with the shampoos. It was supposed to be a trip to get my truck ready, but it turned into a all-out shopping trip and a fat lip day. No, I bit my lip 3 times. Oh yeah, y'all remember this? How many people remember this right here? This is hypoallergenic, Mandy.
Okay. They might have changed it.
And tear-free.
Yeah.
That means you won't cry no more when you get it. Bubbles! No! Some kids are afraid of bubbles. They think it's going to overtake their life. Mandy, look. This could be me and you.
You gonna grow your hair out?
That's not. She heard what she said. Are you gonna grow your hair out? She's got jokes. She knows I'm bald. She knows I'm bald. I'm dancing. Auto part for what?
Oil, you said?
auto parts.
What did you need? Oil?
No, we was, but we already bought it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, here it comes. Okay, this right here, this is a attracts wider. Oh, this is for birds, Mandy. Look. Pop that out and the birds will come and eat it.
Look at that.
We love birds. We're bird watchers. What is this? Bottle topple charms. Oh, ain't that sweetie?
For wine bottles?
Yeah, you gotta be drunk to buy them.
Okay, that's enough.
She said that's enough.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, there's one. There's where they are.
You want to get that one too?
High energy sweat. Do we even have sweat in Alabama? I mean,
Have none again, then.
we'll get 2 of them. That's fine. Tomorrow they'll be 50 cents. 11, 12. Ooh, I wonder how much it was regularly. What is that? That's a vacuum. We already got one then. But we don't have the bag. We don't have that bag. You hear me?
Yeah.
That bag helps get all them leaves.
I think you use it.
Yeah, if we can ever get that pool clean.
Besides, we use 8.
So guys, what we're doing here is we're doing the what you call it, owl. Where's the oil and stuff? Uh-oh, look at this. Sumo squats, leg raises. That'll be you right there, Mandy Bug. Okay, we're looking for oil, trainee fluid. Automatic transmission fluid with stop leak. The VL, he said.
LV.
Yeah, they need Dextron 3. Hope they ain't got it.
Is that not what you're looking for?
That's what we was trying to come over here for. Alright guys, we're moving on. Oh, look at that screw set. I can use them screws. Come on, let's go. She sees screws and she's like, what? I got a train like that. She likes tools and stuff. Alright, where we going next?
Get your stuff down. We're done.
We're gonna get the trucker stuff. Oh, I'm so sorry. Almost had a head-on collision. Alright, sausages. Ice cream bars. I need a small box. Because I'm not going to be able to put many of them in there. Nope. No Carb Smart.
They're good.
I know they're good, but they're not what I want. How much are these fat boys? Jesus. They're $8 here. They were $7.49 over there.
They're expensive. Fondant bars?
That'd be good. That'd be small. Yeah, that'll be good and small.
What, the cookies and cream? Or do you want?
Yeah, cookies and cream. You know me.
Or you want the mint chocolate chip?
Mint chocolate chip. Let's go with it.
Or the Reese's peanut butter?
Nope. Don't ruin it. Bars go in the fridge. 2 bags of sausages. 2 bags. What else?
Yep, bread.
Milk and bread?
Okay.
Milk and bread now, guys. 2 loaves or 1 loaf? I'm gonna tell you what, that cheap bread goes by fast. If we get a loaf of cheap bread and a loaf of maybe Sara Lee. What do you think? Look at the date on it. Best if used by January 25th. January 25th. How many? What's the day on that?
24.
Okay, yeah, that's good. You want one of these and one of the Walmart brand?
Yeah, I'm gonna get one of these for
And get me one of these Walmarts whole wheat. No white bread. I can't do white. Can't do white. No white bread for diabetics. I think she pooted. Come on, guys. Somebody pooted. It wasn't me. Alright, where we going? There's a rumor going around about me and you. There's a rumor going around. Alright, guys. Got it? Alright, is that it?
Yeah.
Sausages, milk, bread. I'm sorry. Sausage, milk. That lunch meat is gonna last me. If anything, I'll buy one of the little things lunch meat at the Pilot because they sell little things lunch meat. Okay, let's go.
You good?
Yeah,
Sure.
positive. That's it. That's it, I believe. That guy's an officer at Metro. Excuse me. That guy right there. That was an officer at Metro. Metro County Jail. Don't tell me how I know. You don't ask me how I know. Don't tell me how I know. And I can't wait till I go to drive-in. So that concludes this week's shopping trip for us truckers. If you got any questions or answers, please comment, like, and share. And stay safe out there, drivers.